Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can download and install Vlc Media Player on Windows 11. The steps are the same also for Windows 10, but in this video we're gonna focus on Windows 11. The first thing that we need to do is to open a browser, which in my case is gonna be Google Chrome. Once you have opened the browser, you just need to search here download Vlc Media Player. Then you need to open this website here, videoland.org, but I will put the link on the description below so you can come directly on this page where you can download Vlc Media Player. Vlc is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as DVDs, audio CDs, etc. etc. So now we need to go over this arrow here in order to choose which version of VLC we're going to download, which in our case is going to be Windows 64-bit. So we select Windows 64-bit and the download will start. Once the setup file of VLC is downloaded, we just double click over it and the installation will start. Now we have the possibility to choose the language. In our case it's going to be English, and then we press over OK. Then we click over next, we accept the license agreement and we click over next. Now we're going to leave the default selection of Vlc Media Player components and then we click over next. The default destination folder where Vlc will be installed is going to be this one. In case that you want to change, you just click over browse and you go to the folder where you want Vlc Media Player to be installed. And once you are done with it, you just click over installed. Now we need to wait a couple of minutes till the installation is done. So now the Vlc Media Player is installed, so we just click over finish. So here we are, Vlc Media Player now is installed in my computer. I will just play a video, so we try it. So we go over media, open file. Now I'm playing a video on Vlc Media Player. You have a lot of tools and a lot of functions that you can use of Vlc Media Player, and it's a very powerful media player. That's all that you need to do in order to install Vlc Media Player in your computer. I hope that you like this video and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.